Alright, just another day. We have about 5 POS systems. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're just going to clean up all these cables, cut these zip ties off, put some Velcro around it. Just make this thing all neat and clean. There's plenty of zip ties that need to be cut off for this POA project. I also made sure to label all of the cables that I unplugged and then connected the power supplies and everything back onto the wall. I even secured stuff underneath the counter to make sure it was nice and clean and organized. There were a couple of cables that were actually connected with packing tape, so I ended up taking off that packing tape, cleaning everything up. At the end of the day, I think that it turned out pretty good. You'll definitely have to let me know what you think in the comments.